If you could make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month, what would that actually change for you? For a lot of people, that's being able to invest more money, rent money, paying off debt, or just finally getting ahead financially. But the problem is that most of these side hustle videos on the internet are pretty unrealistic. They tell you to start some complicated business, learn coding, or build some massive brand online. But today, I want to show you guys some realistic side hustles that normal people are using to make 500 to 1K per month. Some of these you can even start this week. And one of them can realistically turn into thousands a month if you stick with it. So let's get right into it. Number one is teaching a skill. So, this first side hustle is teaching something that you already know to somebody else. So, pretty straightforward. A lot of people think you need to be some sort of expert on something to teach it. But you guys, you don't need to be that crazy expert. In reality, you just need to be one step ahead of somebody else because you could have some form of information that they need and it's going to help them progress further on their goals. For example, I just think of like playing guitar or editing videos or photos, or maybe you can build a workout routine or a meal plan for somebody. You can even use AI like ChatGPT, the free version, to help leverage this for somebody, if they need help. So there are plenty of beginners who would happily pay to learn for this sort of info. Obviously, they can go online and find it from the bigger guys, but a lot of those guys are selling courses as well. Let's just be honest. So even if you just did 2 lessons a day, a few times a week, you could easily reach $500 to $1,000 a month. And the easiest places to find people for these sort of skills I've found are Facebook groups, Fiverr, Reddit, local community pages, or even shorts on TikTok explaining what you teach. I think there are even shorts on Facebook now and obviously YouTube, so you could try there as well. But teaching is one of the fastest ways to turn knowledge into income. You just have to find your specific niche, just like when you start a YouTube page. The second side hustle is Facebook Marketplace flipping. And this is one I feel like a lot of people completely overlook because it's too saturated or whatever it is. But I personally have done this and I have so many friends that have made a lot of money from this. And a lot of people just do it just to move something fast. So there's definitely a market for it. And there's definitely room for you to get in and start making some money. So obviously, it's where you buy something undervalued and resell it for more. And people do this every single day. So some of the best flips that I found or that my friends are doing are golf clubs, cleaning them up and flipping them. These golf clubs hold their value so long unless they're destroyed. So that is a huge one. Furniture like couches, it's the same thing. And a lot of them are listed on Facebook for free because people just want to get rid of them. So that one, you're already halfway there. Pokemon cards, this one has huge potential if you know what you're looking for. So I definitely recommend doing a bit of research on this before you get into it. And the last one is where I've made the most, which is gym equipment. And if you guys know what I'm talking about, like the Bowflexes, the multifaceted dumbbells where you can change the weight and it goes from like 5 pounds to 50. These go for like $200-300 and people flip them for 400, 500, 600 almost every single time I see them online. So it's crazy. There's so much potential there. And like I said with the couches, a lot of people just want to get rid of the items quickly, so they price them way below what they're actually worth or even free, which obviously works in your favor. So if you just flip 2 or 3 items per week, you could definitely make $500 to $1,000 a month, depending on what you do. And the best part with this one is that you can start with very little money. Like you could buy something for 20 bucks and flip it to 50 and to 60 to 80 to 100, whatever it is. So that's enough to start flipping small items and you can reinvest all the profits. One thing that my friend always says too is that he checks the Facebook marketplace every morning like it's the stock market because his deals, he finds new deals and they pop up all the time and he's seeing what's sold for him. And it's just funny that he thought about it like that. But he's making a lot of money off that and you guys can too. Number three is video editing, and this one is exploding right now because every business, no matter what it is, wants content and they need content, whether that's a law firm or a restaurant, whatever it is. The creators are posting on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Shorts, LinkedIn, whatever it is. But editing takes a lot of time. And most business owners would rather just pay someone else to do it. So that could be you guys. And since you're just starting out, you could charge $50 to $100 per video on the low end. And if you do, 3 or 4 videos per week, that's a lot, but you could make over $500 to $1,000 per month, depending on what you do. And if you use tools like CapCut or AI editing softwares, they've made it super easy to learn. And there's so many tutorials out there. I personally use CapCut for these videos because it's a free software. And I actually know a lot of people that still use the Apple default one. I think it's called iMovie because it has a nice loadout and it's very beginner friendly to use. You don't need to drop a lot of money on these crazy softwares. Number four is digital products. And I feel like this is always a favorite of people who talk about them because once you create something, you can sell it over and over again. So, some basic examples of digital products include general templates of whatever you're doing at the time, fitness programs, budgeting spreadsheets, social media templates of how to gain more followers, whatever it is, or even just simple guides to whatever you're doing. And I've always wanted to make my own spreadsheet tracker kind of app sort of thing where you can do finances and fitness all in one place. And it's kind of like a solo leveling game where you keep leveling up and it has achievements and setting goals. And it makes it fun to see it on the app and in real life because you're pushing yourself to new boundaries and, making more money or whatever it is. So somebody can steal that, or hopefully I can make that one day once this channel gets bigger. But let's say you sell a digital product for 25 bucks. You would only need to sell like 35, 40 per month to reach 1,000. And that does seem daunting, but you never know unless you try. And the cool part, like I said before, is that you only need to create the product once. And after that, it keeps on selling while you're doing other things. Number five is websites for businesses. And this is going to be leveraging AI, of course, to help you build websites. A lot of local businesses still have terrible websites or no website at all. If you don't believe me, just look on your maps around you and see what has an actual website by you, whether that's a restaurant or a dry cleaners, whatever it is. And I will say I wanted to include this one, but it does seem like every other video I see on TikTok are people showing how they're selling AI sites to local businesses. So this could be incredibly saturated, but it might not be in the area where you live. It doesn't hurt to try. But you can use these new tools like Wix, Squarespace, Framer. There's so many more that pop up every single day. And they have everything you need to get started on. And there are so many resources out there for you guys to use. I remember watching one the other day where it tells you to use ChatGPT or another AI service to write the prompts for you to upload it to those AI sites. It's all about prompting and how you word it for how the computer, how the AI service is going to work for you. So, of course, once you go down that line, you might have to pay the hosting site fees or whatever it is. But whatever you make will offset those costs for sure. So, local businesses will often pay $300 to $800 for a basic site. And if you build two websites per month, you're already hitting that over $1,000 range easy, depending on what you charge. And I think once you learn how to do it, the process becomes very quick. So, this one has crazy potential. And I think that's why so many people are doing it. And it might be a little saturated, but you'll never know unless you guys try it. Number six is going to be affiliate marketing. And I'm sure you guys have heard about this before. It's been around forever, but it's where you recommend products and earn a commission when somebody buys them. So a lot of people do this on YouTube, TikTok, blogs, whatever it is. And if you review tech products, gym equipment, tools, you can put an affiliate link in your description. And every time someone buys through your link, you get a small commission. So this might start super small, and I'm sure the margins are very small, but it can definitely turn into hundreds or even thousands if you have a following. So honestly, I see a lot of people doing this in the same niche as me on YouTube, and I'm sure they're not making a crazy amount at first. But when people get inspired and they hear, the mic and the quality that you're putting out, they might look at that and go like, wow, oh, I'm going to go right to the source and buy it from this guy because I trust him, I like his videos, and I'm going to give him a little bit of the commission. Number seven is content clipping. So this last one is where you take long podcasts or YouTube videos and turn them into short clips for obviously TikTok, Reels, Shorts. And creators need these because the short form content just drives a lot of views. It's the way it is. If I were to take one of my clips and turn it into a short, it's just going to get more views because people scroll on and off it so quick. And a lot of these creators are willing to pay you for someone to handle the clipping. And with AI tools now, you can turn one long video into 10 or 20 short clips pretty quickly. And this is a great opportunity if you want something you can do completely from your computer and using AI. So I know there are systems like Opus Clips where it does everything for you when you feed the video in. Of course, there's always going to be a catch where you have to pay eventually. And but it could be worth it for you, especially if you see some, motion with it and you start making some money. I even know of some sites called like WAP Clips where they pay you for clipping certain streamers. So you make an agreement with them and you get paid more if you get more views. So this one, there's probably more luck involved with it, but there's definitely money to be made. So, to close this out, at the end of the day, the goal of a side hustle isn't to become a millionaire overnight. If you can do that, props to you. Let me know what that is in the comments below, please. But it is a way to start building some extra income streams because once you start making an extra 500 to a grand per month, that money can go towards investing, paying off your debt, or building something even bigger. And over time, these small income streams can completely change your financial life. So, once again, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe because I am going to be posting some more content about making money, investing, and just leveling up in your 20s. Thank you guys again. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.